Listen, if you've just watched the Succession series finale and you're reeling with what good storytelling can achieve, इस हफ्ते की बड़ी हिंदी releases, simply put, emotional whiplash at this point. Hey all, my name is Acharita, coming to you once again from my studio in Mumbai. Today we're talking about Lakshman Otekar's Sara Ali Khan and Vicky Kaushal starrer Zara Hatke Zara Bachke now in movie theaters. इंदौर में कपिल और सौम्या रेगुलर सी लाइफ जी रहे हैं, मैरिड फॉर 2 years, लिविंग इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली, लेकिन ऑल इजंट वेल. डिवोर्स प्रोसीडिंग्स भी चल रही हैं while they wait for a house to be allotted to them under the Jan Awas Yojana. I don't know who consults Vicky Kaushal on his movie choices, but the actor seems to like telling stories about people in urban cities looking for or fighting for real estate. Love per square foot और गोविंदा नाम मेरा के बाद ये अब तीसरी है, unless I've missed something. And of all the three, this one might be the strangest approach to India's urban housing shortage.
अपना घर
और उस चक्कर में भले अपने को तलाक लेना पड़ जाए.
नकली तलाक लेने में तुम्हारी इतनी क्यों फट रही है?
इससे डिवोर्स जल्दी हो जाएगा.
मैत्रेयी बाजपेयी, रमीज इल्हान खान and लक्ष्मण उतकर की लिखी ये film has a great log line, but little else beyond. Joint family shenanigans aren't new to Hindi cinema watching audiences. A couple sleeping in a living room, not having enough privacy because a kid keeps walking around the house isn't a fresh joke. A security guard overanalyzing everyone who visits a single woman in his mohalla isn't path-breaking. Punjabi father drinking whiskey in his car away from his wife's eyes is sure. Borderline stereotypes aside, Zara Hatke Zara Bachke doesn't even quite manage to properly say what it's trying to with regards to its central conflict. What does it take in today's inflation-ridden India to own a humble apartment in your name? I couldn't tell you. Is gaming the system fair game? The only observation I suspect I will remember from this immediately forgettable movie is Vicky Kaushal can do a successful crow pose. A visibly stiff Sara Ali Khan seems to be walking back and forth between Love Aajkal and Atrangi Re. When Soumya's lower lip isn't dramatically trembling, staring upward at Kapil, she's trying to land poorly written jokes, the acting very painfully visible in both the attempts. The movie and Sara's performance go hand in hand in that they both are equally non-committal towards the choices they are making. We are told she's a tuition teacher, a woman of academics, and yet her profession has close to zero bearing on the plot, her character, her relationship with the world. The character is supposedly written as a modern woman, unafraid of expressing her physical desires, doing whatever it takes to move ahead in life. But she's also made to turn into a complete fool when men around her begin to explain how the world functions.
तलाक लेने आए हो या बगीचे में लल्ला चप्पा करने?
Right off the bat, movie के पहले scene में when we meet the Dubey family, they are shown nearly retching at the thought of having eaten a cake with egg in it as they scurry to look for Gaumutra to purify themselves. Mami ji says the most horrible casteist Islamophobic things to all humans around her, reminding everyone कि ये पंडितों का घर है.
पंडितों के घर में खड़े हो यही मंदिर मार के फूंक देंगे.
She's insulting women who eat meat, women who drink. A Janeu wearing half-naked couple appears in multiple scenes. I kept waiting for the ball to drop. Perhaps there is a moment incoming when some of this behavior may be addressed. But alas, nothing arrives. And don't get me wrong, we aren't children here expecting every movie to lay everything out neatly to be understood in basic terms. Nah. The assumption that such a scene may have been written into the screenplay is based on the tone of the film. सब कुछ समझा रहे हो तो मामी जी की redemption से पहले उनको कोई कुछ क्यों नहीं समझा रहा है? Mind you, this is a movie that takes the time to explain the minute details of Jan Awas Yojana to an unsuspecting security guard. Also, Sharib Hashmi, who plays the security guard, just deserves so much more than this. Some gags which start out funny: an impatient judge, a belligerent divorce lawyer, a drunk father-in-law, the astonishment on people's faces upon meeting a woman who chooses to hyphenate her maiden name with her married name, the importance of chi. They're all stretched too long. A big confrontation scene between husband and wife is so pointedly written to be a high-octane confrontation scene between husband and wife, it can't wait to turn into a screaming match to show the actors' dramatic range. There is little to no build-up to crucial moments, and towards the end, the movie loses its focus to the extent of adding in an entirely surprising, substantial conclusion-less subplot. Hurrying towards a finish, desperate to hold your hand, look at your face over and over and ask, "Ab feels आई, देख, अब आई."
तुम दोनों तलाक लेने आए हो या बगीचे में लल्ला चप्पा करने?
नरक कर दिया इसने मेरी लाइफ.
बेबी तुझे पाप लगेगा.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Zara Hatke Zara Bachke is 100% of the film's duration has loud underlay music, SFX, boings. Desperate to hold your hand, look at you in the face and ask, "Ab feels आई." Feels आई देखकर Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse this week, उसका review also coming up today. आप subscribe कीजिए चैनल को, notification on कर लेना, पता चलेगा as soon as the review drops. My name is Acharita. Thank you for stopping by.